Alright, so what I want you to do is I want you to lie down with your arms straight like Superman. I want your hip, knee, foot all lined up. Then your hands, since we're working your rear delts, we're going to take your arms out like this, make a fist, and turn them. Okay? So I want you to turn it so your hand is in the floor. Now, what I want you to do is lift everything, keeping your neck straight. Make sure your arms are all lined up, 180-degree angle. If they're down here, it doesn't work the correct muscle, or even up too high. So right in the middle, and it's going to hit those rear delts nice and hard and strengthen your whole back, your butt, your hamstrings, your whole entire back of your body. Breathe comfortably, okay? I want you to be comfortable. I want you to breathe and hold it there. Now, for people who can't handle it, if it hurts really bad, what I want you to do in your routine, say it's a minute or 30 seconds, whatever it is, I want you to pump. So go down slowly, rest, and then come up. Beautiful. So go down, rest, come up. But if you can hold it up, I want you to hold it up because that's what's going to give you the optimum results.